Right, hello, it's Matic. We are here in the garage with a Honda passionate. He's got quite a few cars, as you can see, a few Hondas. Very passionate about his cars. So we've got a NSX Honda. What year is it? Sorry.
91.
91, yeah. It's got 35,000 miles. 35 is it?
30.
30, yeah.
30, yeah.
30,000 miles on the clock. He just bought it recently. As you could imagine, they are a bit of money nowadays. Absolutely immaculate. Fully rebuilt as well, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look at the paint on it. What paint is that? What was the name of the paint? Do you know?
Oh, I don't know.
Some kind of a red, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Some racing red. Look at that. Beautiful. Mugen wheels as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at these Mugen wheels split. Yeah, absolutely immaculate, that, isn't it? It's a mid-engine as well, isn't it? So I bet it feels nice on the track.
Yeah.
Have you tracked it before?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet, no.
Let's see the exhaust. Oh, looks nice. Nice and low. Beautiful. So you've got some semi-slick tires as well on it.
Yeah.
And the interior, let's have a look. Immaculate. You keep it tip-top, don't you? And then we've got a track car here. Both of them are track car?
No,
that one here.
It's a track car, yeah.
And what was the power on the car? 150?
240.
240,
Yeah,
bloody hell.
it's got a K20 from a Civic Type R.
Oh, K20 engine.
Yeah.
It's been remapped as well, or?
Yes.
Revs higher?
Yes. Yeah.
9K
No,
or something?
no, 8.6.
8.6,
Yeah.
bloody hell. There it goes.
It can rev.
Jesus. Guys, 240 brake, that's mad.
I'll pop an engine there if you want.
Yeah, sure. What's the weight of the car? About 800 kilos? A bit less, maybe, a bit more? 900, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. This is its. I mean, I take it on track, but it's a road car. It's got the full interior and everything.
Yeah.
It's not properly track spec, but yeah.
Look at that. K20 engine, immaculate as well, isn't it? 240 brake, bloody hell, that must go.
It's a bit of a handful, yeah. It's like a rabid dog.
Jesus Christ.
It's a bit nuts.
What's the 0 to 60 time? Have you ever tried, or do you have an idea?
I have no idea.
Would it be around 5 seconds? Would you say, or
yeah, around about that. Yeah.
around 5 seconds? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, look at that, guys. Amazing. So you've got different Hondas, CRXs. Is that a new CRX, the red one there?
Not a CRZ.
CRZ.
It's a hybrid, yeah.
Yeah. How are you enjoying that one? Is it quite good, or?
Yeah, it was such an underrated car when it first came out because it was living in the shadow of the original Mark II CRX. But it's got an electric motor, so it's got a lot of low down torque. It's not a fast car, but on the twisty roads, on the right roads, it really is quite good, quite fun.
Quite comfy.
Yeah, very, yeah.
Unlike those.
Yes.
The older ones.
Yeah.
And obviously we've got the 35 IS BMW, which I've been thinking of buying the next couple of months, replacing my E85. This is running almost 400 brake, 370, 380.
370.
370, yeah. So we've got 19-inch wheels.
18. 18, I think.
18?
I don't know.
They look quite big, don't they?
They do, don't they?
I would say they are 255, 35 18s. They look quite big, don't they?
They do, yeah.
Yeah, CSL style. Beautiful color. What the color was it? Did you say?
It's actually called ST Rado Grey. It's a Ford colour, but it doesn't. God. I think they must have screwed up when they did it in the factory because it doesn't look grey to me. But it matches the car quite nicely. So
yeah, it's like greyish brown, isn't it? Like looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Yeah. So you're thinking of selling that soon?
I think so. I'm having trouble making the decision though because I like it so much.
Yeah. So you've got it's a rare manual as well, which is quite nice. Full leather interior, goes quite well. And we've got a few little projects down there. And the that's a Honda as well, is it? Or?
It is. It's a Mark I Prelude.
Mark I Prelude. Wow, looks nice. Okay. Classic. What year is it?
81.
1981. Jesus Christ, 40 years old.
Yeah, yeah.
Goodness.
Tax-free and MOT exempt next year.
Seriously?
Yeah, yeah.
God. Look at that, guys. Immaculate as well.
It is.
Yeah.
It needs some light restoration, but it's in good condition.
Look at the interior, blue roof.
Blue interior, yeah.
Jesus, that's mad. And a Mini Coupe as well. Nice little classic, little gem. And yeah, finally we've got the Nissan GTR R32. What the power is 600 horsepower.
600 at the engine, yeah. About 490 at the wheels.
Looks beautiful, yeah. 4-wheel drive. It's a GTR.
Yeah.
Amazing. What's the interior like? Is it immaculate as well?
Look, yeah.
Look at the interior. Obviously a manual, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice seats. What year is the car? 1991?
I think this is 91 as well. No,
91?
93.
93, yeah. 4-pot brakes on the front.
Yeah.
Amazing. Nice silver. Yeah, guys, we're gonna end it there. Beautiful collection. Well done to the owner, spending so many years on collecting all these beautiful cars, showing them a lot of love, a lot of money, which is the biggest part, and the NSX. So that's your dream car, yeah, the NSX.
It is,
yeah. And as you said, you're never gonna sell it unless you won't be able to walk anymore.
Yeah.
Unless they invent something for you so you can drive with no legs. So yeah, it looks beautiful in that color, guys. Absolutely immaculate. Obviously, we're not gonna share the price, but it was a lot of money. As you can see, they go for quite a lot of money. Those, I suppose, in a good condition in the future, they're gonna be easily 100K in the future one day.
Yeah.
It's gonna grow the price.
In America, for the early, if you've got a really low mileage one, there's one went for $296,000 last month.
Jesus
I mean,
Christ.
that only had something like 19,000 miles on it, and it was immaculate. But
Bloody hell. So that's a good investment, isn't it, to get them now, I suppose. So
until they ban petrol or something, yeah. But it's a good ornament when they do.
yeah, because they said, I've heard from the government that they forwarded the date of the ban to 2030, isn't it?
Yeah, that's when they're going to stop
producing,
selling them,
selling those diesels and petrols and hybrids as well.
I don't know. I don't know. Don't think so, but yeah.
You don't think so? Yeah, because they're kind of petrol and diesel as well. So I suppose they're going to stop them as well. It's going to be fully electric, yeah.
But there'll still be petrol available. Too many rich people own petrol cars.
Right, guys, beautiful garage. We're gonna say well done to the owner, and hopefully your collection is gonna grow. You're gonna get the what did you say? Gonna get the Yaris GR, yeah?
GR Yaris, yeah.
So that's a 4-wheel drive. What's the power on it? 260, 280?
259.
260, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, must be mad.
I've not driven one. I've ordered one, but I've not driven one. They're meant to be absolutely crazy in terms of the amount of grip they've got.
Yeah. I hope you're gonna tune it as well. Give it more power.
We'll see.
Take it to the track. Right, guys, we're gonna end it there. Hope you enjoyed it, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.